Guys, I have to confess something. Today, I'm telling you guys that I've been hiding this for a while. So I had this secret hidden place on my roof, on my the top of my house, and this is cool. Sometimes I wanna play some shorts here, but the internet doesn't we don't have internet here. But okay, guys, I don't think I can go out now. Can someone like and subscribe so the rain wouldn't make me sick or something, because I want to be healthy, guys. Guys, like and subscribe. Forgot to stop the rain because I can't go out of this room now. This room is so hot, guys. Oh my god. If I go out, this is going to be wild. Wait. Never mind. I take my words back. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can someone help me on the rain? Like, give me something, or pray so God would stop the rain, because I can't go out right now. Can someone please talk to God? Please? Oh my god. I'm trapped here. Oh no. The rain is coming inside. Oh my god. Guys, can you pray for me? I can't really breathe here because it's too hot. Oh my god. I need some air. Wait. Guys, pray for me so I won't go to death. I'm still little. Oh my god. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Help. No guys, I can't. Guys, this is going to be wild. Like and subscribe to save me over this rain, because the rain is going crazy here. Oh my god. The water, can't you see? The water is full. Oh my god. What did just the rain goes out there, and here is the rain again. Guys, look at the part 2. Will I survive this, or will I die?